Among TP-Link's Wi-Fi 6 routers, the Archer AX55 is one of the most affordable on the market. While its design leaves much to be desired, it does the job for its cheap price point. But how well does it perform compared to newer routers?
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, I'm Melanie, Broadband Expert at BroadbandNow, where we bring you in-depth reviews and hands-on tests of the latest tech gear. If you're looking for a new Wi-Fi router, today's video is one you do not want to miss. I'm here with Hanna, who will share her thoughts on the TP-Link Archer AX55 at the end of this video. We'll walk you through specs, setup, performance, and overall value to help you decide if the Archer AX55 is for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on all things broadband.
The Archer AX55 offers dual-band Wi-Fi, a 2.4 GHz band for long range, and a 5 GHz band for faster speeds when you're closer. Combined, these give you up to 2,976 megs per second, which is pretty impressive for a budget router. It's also equipped with OFDMA and MU-MIMO technologies. OFDMA allows the router to split its channels to communicate with more devices at once. That's crucial for a home where everything, from smart lights to laptops, is connected to Wi-Fi. MU-MIMO ensures that multiple devices can use the Wi-Fi simultaneously without slowing down the connection. It's like upgrading from a single-lane road to a multi-lane highway. So, what makes the Archer AX55 router special? Wi-Fi 6 technology. If you're unfamiliar with Wi-Fi 6, it's an upgrade from Wi-Fi 5 that offers faster speeds, better performance, and greater capacity for handling multiple devices. If you've got a house full of tech like we do, Wi-Fi 6 is a game changer. It allows for faster data transfer and reduced latency, meaning less lag when you're gaming, video conferencing, or streaming. And with the price of less than $100 at Walmart, it's a Wi-Fi 6 router that's great for those on a budget. Setting up a router can be a daunting task for some, but TP-Link makes it pretty straightforward with the Tether app. After unboxing the router, which came with a power adapter, an RJ45 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide, all you need to do is connect the router to your modem, power it up, and follow the in-app instructions. We did run into a small hiccup during the setup when we mixed up the WPS button with the reset button. It wasn't a major issue, but it delayed things a bit. The good news? The Tether app walked us through the rest of the process, allowing us to set up the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, create passwords, and connect all our devices in about 15 minutes. The Tether app is designed for ease and efficiency. The home screen gives you an overview of your network, connected devices, and status all in one glance. The bottom menu offers quick access to network and security options, while real-time monitoring keeps your network safe, though advanced features are behind a paywall. Parents, like myself, will love the customizable parental controls and the quality of service (QoS) feature that lets you prioritize devices for a better connection. With live support, app settings, and experimental features in Tether Lab, the app is both user-friendly and powerful for managing your home network. Now, let's get into the part that really matters: performance. Maintaining consistent Wi-Fi across all 3 floors of a condo has been a struggle. So, we tested the Archer AX55 by measuring download speeds in different rooms. In the same room as the router, we got download speeds of 827 megs and upload speeds of 23.5 megs. We have an Xfinity gigabit plan, so these upload speeds are pretty standard. Moving into the next room with a wall in between, it dropped to 515 megabits per second, still more than enough for streaming and work. Then we went down to the basement office, the furthest point from the router. Speeds dropped to 403 megabits per second, which, while lower, was still fast enough to handle video calls and work tasks without any hiccups. Compared to routers like the TP-Link Archer AX6000 or AX11000, you're not getting the same multi-gig speeds, but you're saving a significant amount of money. Even the Netgear Nighthawk R6700AX and the Eero 6 Plus are more expensive, without offering a dramatically better experience for most users. For small households, the Asus RT AX1800S is a competitor, but it's known for lower speeds and less reliable performance. The Archer AX55 offers a solid balance between price and performance, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers.
So, what did you think of the Archer AX55, Hanna?
What is up, guys? It's Hanna, and I am super stoked to give you guys my review of TP-Link's Archer AX55 Wi-Fi 6 router, otherwise known as the Archer AX55 for short. I lived with this guy for about 2 weeks, and I was very stoked at the performance. I am not super tech savvy when it comes to installing my technology, so I really appreciated that the app Tether to get everything set up and connected was an absolute breeze. Really easy setup, step-by-step instructions that worked in tandem with the manual that comes in the box. Really user-intuitive app, really easy navigation, awesome robust features such as, like I said, it's a Wi-Fi 6 router, it's updated WPA3 security standards, has really good parental controls, super robust application and nice features that really is suitable for any person who's looking for a router to connect their devices in their home, whether you're streaming multiple devices at once, if you're a gamer, or if you're like me and just work from home. This is a really great router to use, whether I was in my basement home office or working outside on my deck, or even working from the comfort of my own bed. We all do it. This router was super reliable. The performance was really impressive, and all in all, I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's looking for a budget-friendly router. This is only $100 on Amazon, so it definitely won't break your bank, but it will definitely give you the performance that you need to successfully achieve, your work from home action items or objectives or any projects, or if you just want to sit on your couch and stream Netflix all day like I do very often. So great router. I was really happy with it, and I'm really excited for you guys to give it a try.
If you're looking for a reliable Wi-Fi 6 router at a budget-friendly price, the Archer AX55 is hard to beat. It offers fast speeds, great range, and handles multiple devices with ease. Yes, it's not the fastest or the most feature-rich, but for under $100, it delivers where it counts. It's easy to set up, performs well in small to medium homes, and has all the essential features you need for everyday use. If you're working from home, gaming, or streaming, and you want to upgrade to Wi-Fi 6 without spending a fortune, the Archer AX55 is a fantastic option. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, and I hope you did, give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Read our full review on BroadbandNow.com. The link is right there in the description. Turn on those notifications so you don't miss out. We'll see you next time.